Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications from your Roblox contacts popping up while you're playing or working on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable notifications for contacts on the Roblox app with the latest update so you can enjoy a distraction-free experience. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look at the left side of your screen and find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, or dots. Click on it to open up the extended menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where you can control all your account preferences, privacy options, and most importantly, your notifications. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Notifications. Click on it to view all the different types of alerts Roblox can send you. Now, look for the option called Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, Roblox lets you adjust push notifications that might also affect your mobile devices if you use the same account. Click on this option to expand the list of notification types. Here, you'll see several toggles for different notification categories, including contacts on Roblox, friend requests, group announcements, and more. To disable notifications specifically from your contacts, simply find the switch labeled Contacts on Roblox and turn it off. This will stop notifications from your friends or contacts, so you won't be interrupted by messages or alerts from them anymore. That's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for contacts on the Roblox app on your PC. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these steps and flip the switch again. Enjoy your time on Roblox without the constant pings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might also need a break from notifications. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.